Good day, all Safety members. I'm excited to present the latest sleek upgrade on your Safety app experience, Flexible Location Pick. The wide range of industries our drivers serve make their preferences different when it comes to logging the location at work and rest switch. Therefore, we expanded your choices of logging the location to accommodate all your preferences. This upgrade is now live. You can manually update your app on the spot from your relevant app store, or let it update itself automatically whenever it feels like it. Without further ado, let's see how the new upgrade works in the flesh. Currently, when you're making the switch, the app already suggests the location automatically that you may change if not correct by tapping on the location field and picking your location address from the map. With the upgrade, whether you tap on the automatic location pop-up or select your location from the map, the address will be dissected to 4 parts: street number, street name, suburb, state, and postcode. And now you have the freedom to choose the level of details of your location without compromising the minimum regulatory requirement, which is suburb, state, and postcode. So, let me show you the whole experience very quickly for the auto location pop-up. Tap on the location field and you'll get the address broken down. Include the level of detail you'd like to log. Press Confirm Location, then confirm the switch. The other scenario is the address elements stacked up for you when you pick the location from the map. In the same fashion, include the level of detail that works for you, confirm location, then confirm the switch. If you did not press on Confirm Location, the app will remind you to do so, then lets you proceed. And if you believe your device GPS hasn't fetched your correct location, or you were out of internet coverage, you can always opt to type your location manually. Just make sure it is described to the best you can, so you make it recognizable to your record keepers and authorities. We hope you like this update and you find it easier to do your logbooks without mistakes. As always, please keep supporting Safety app by referring your friends and fleet, safety, or operations managers, and by liking and sharing this video. Safety travels, and see you in next update.